Learn Wireshark in 3 minutes. Let's go. So fire up your Wireshark from your search bar and then allow it to load on the screen. Now we can see the different interfaces that we can gather traffic from. And so this is our Wi-Fi interface. So we're going to select this because we want to see what is going on in the Wi-Fi. Now we can see the packet is populating in the Wireshark. We can see what is going on. So let me just give a brief explanation. Now on the top, we can see the time taken to capture the packet. This is the source where the packet is coming from. This is the destination where it is going to. Then this is the protocol that is being used to transmit the information. This is the length, and this is the information of each of the individual packets. Now let's go back. So if we look up, we can see the different analysis tools that we can use to analyze our traffic in Wireshark. Now we're going to stop this scan because I already have a captured packet that I want us to analyze and see what happened in the next one. So let me load up so this is the packet that I've captured before. Let's just right click on this random one and follow the HTTP stream. Now this gives us what the user did at that particular point. You can see that the user called for that file and then this was the response that was given to the user. But it's not usually like this. But let's go back. Now we can see a lot of TCP stream going on in this network. Now this tells us that there is a secure HTTP going on. That is HTTPS is being used, and that's why all these stuffs are being encrypted. All these things, so we can't really see what is going on. Now let's go to to edit, and then click on preference. Now we want to decrypt the communication. What to do now is under protocol, we're going to look for the TLS, which we are going to import our TLS key so that we can decrypt the information and we can know what the user did at that particular point in time. This is very useful for analysis. So we're going to browse on this TLS and then we're going to import the TLS key. Now where do I put it? In the students here. So Wireshark and then Wireshark T. So we're going to import it and then apply and then click on OK. So now this has decrypted the network information. Now to now know what happened, we're going to search for HTTP on the filter bar and then we can see what the user was searching for online. So let me just go to this doc.php. I think that is a very good one, and then I'll follow the HTTP stream and it tells me that the user searched for doc.php and that was the response that the user got. So that is Wireshark analysis in 3 minutes. Though it is more deeper, but this gives you a broad perspective on how to follow and how to decrypt key. Thanks for watching.